Chef Johnson is eager to show me just how simple it can be to prepare sea urchins at home and to teach me about some of the health benefits.
We recommend, encourage people to start eating sea urchins because of its anti-inflammatory properties. So it could actually help to soothe down some sore throats and all. So it's something we want to introduce it as a very simple ingredient that can be used at home.
Yeah, I feel like there are just so many inflammatory foods that people are having every day now that to have something like this, especially for,
To consider it, sea urchins, it's actually a superfood.